There is too much noise in the market. Everyone is promising easy money, but in reality, most people just blow their accounts. That's not what I do. My name is Alexander. I've been trading professionally for more than 6 years, and my mission is simple: to show how structured trading works without guessing. Every single day, I go live inside my Telegram community, which now has more than 90k traders. People join the streams, see my trades in real time, repeat the system, and share the results. There are dozens of student stories from their first disciplined trades all the way to consistent profits with the system. And this is the key point. It's not screenshots in vacuum. It's a living process that happens every day. If you want to see this kind of breakdown and live trades for yourself, make sure you watch this video until the end, and you will find the link to my Telegram community in the description and in the pinned comment. That's where the real practice begins. Today I'll be working with RSI, the relative strength index. The logic is simple. When the indicator shows oversold or overbought conditions, I wait for confirmation candle and only then enter the trade. Only clean signals, no noise, no guessing. Okay, first trade, Euro and USD. RSI dropped below 30 into the oversold zone. Price touched the support level, waiting for a green candle. And there it is. We are entering long. So the trade closes in profit. Okay, that's perfect start. RSI showed the bottom, support confirmed it. Our second trade is pound and Japanese yen. RSI climbs about 70 into the overbought zone. Price right at the strong resistance, candle with a long upper wick. We are entering short. And of course, the trade closes in profit. Yes. Everything here is aligned. Overheated market, clear signal. Okay, our third trade, Aussie dollar, United States dollar. RSI down near 30, candle starting to form a reversal bottom. We're waiting for an upward impulse. And there it is. We go long. So the trade closes in profit here. When RSI and candles both point the same way, that's always a high probability of entry. Our fourth trade, American dollar and Swiss franc. So RSI is around 70, price pressing resistance, and we are waiting for a red candle confirmation. Okay, got it, short. The logic here is very straightforward. Overbought plus level plus candle. Our fifth trade, it's Euro and Swiss franc. So RSI here is showing oversold, but the support level is weak. And I decided to take the risk and entering long. It didn't work out. A good example where RSI gave a signal but the level didn't hold. It's important to acknowledge that and move on. And the trade closes in loss. So it happens, guys. The next trade is New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, RSI near 70, price once again at resistance, candle starting to weaken. And red candle confirms. I will go to long. No, I will go to short. And the trade closes in profit. And it's very clear, indicator overheated, market reversed naturally. Our seventh trade, Great British Pound, United States dollar, RSI below 30, oversold, and at a strong support level. We're waiting for a confirming green candle. And there it is, entering long. and the trade closes in profit. And here is classic oversold setup. These are exactly the entries I'm always waiting for. Our next trade is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, RSI pushing up near 70, candle printing a reversal with a long upper wick. Confirmation is here. We're entering short. The trade closes in profit, and it worked perfectly. The market overheated, candle gave the signal immediately. Our pre-last trade, Euro and Australian dollar, RSI here dips below 30, clear oversold condition, support level nearby, green candle forms, and we go for short. No, let me think. We go for short here. And the trade closes in profit. When setups like this line up, the outcome is almost always predictable. These are the kinds of trades I take every single day. No magic, no guessing, only experience and clear system. And the most important part, I show all of this live in my Telegram channel where more than 90k traders are already watching. There you will find daily signals, live trading sessions, and the chance to learn alongside people who are already making consistent profit. If you want to be part of that community and stop playing the guessing game, follow the link in Telegram under this video. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next breakdowns. See you inside the community, guys, and bye.